Here's the truth. Most people are taking the creatine wrong. Creatine is the most studied supplement in the world. It's proven to build muscle, crush gym PRs, and even boost your brain power. People are wasting money, missing gains, and even dealing with side effects, all because they don't know the science-backed rules. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use creatine like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know how to maximize every scoop, avoid the top mistakes, and unlock gains you didn't think were possible. Let's dive in. First things first. Creatine isn't a steroid, a stimulant, or some lab-made chemical. It's a natural compound your body already produces from amino acids. You also get it from foods like steak, salmon, and eggs. Here's how it works. Creatine's job is to help your muscles produce ATP, the energy currency that fuels explosive movements. Think sprinting, jumping, or lifting heavy weights. But here's the catch. Even if you eat a pound of steak daily, you'll only get about 1 to 2 grams of creatine. To truly supercharge your performance, you need to supplement. And that's where most people go off the rails. Let's talk about why creatine is a game changer. Study after study shows 3 massive benefits. Muscle growth. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, creating a plumping effect that boosts protein synthesis. Translation: bigger, fuller muscles. Strength and power. By recycling ATP faster, creatine lets you squeeze out 1 to 2 extra reps on heavy sets. Over time, that means more strength gains. Brain health. Yes, your brain uses ATP too. Research links creatine to improved memory, focus, and even mood. But here's the kicker. These benefits only work if you take creatine correctly. Skip the next section, and you'll miss out on all of this. This is the part you've been waiting for. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The loading phase. Optional but effective. For the first 5 to 7 days, take 20 grams of creatine daily, split into 4 doses. Why? This quickly saturates your muscles so you feel the benefits faster. Think of it like filling a gas tank. Loading gets you to full ASAP. Step 2. The maintenance phase. After loading, drop to 3 to 5 grams daily. No need to cycle on and off. Your body doesn't get used to creatine. Just keep taking it forever. Seriously, studies show it's safe for decades. Step 3. Timing. It doesn't matter what mostly. Take it pre-workout, post-workout, or before bed, whatever fits your routine. The key is consistency. That said, pairing it with carbs, like a banana or oatmeal, can help absorption slightly. Step 4. Mixing tips. Creatine mixes best in room temperature water or juice. Avoid boiling hot coffee or tea. Heat breaks down creatine over time. And skip the fancy designer blends. Cheap creatine monohydrate is 100% effective. Before you grab your shaker bottle, let's fix these big mistakes. Mistake 1. Overloading forever. 20 grams a day is only for the first week. After that, you're just wasting money and stressing your kidneys. Stick to 3 to 5 grams. Mistake 2. Skipping hydration. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, so if you're not drinking enough, you'll get cramps or bloating. Aim for 1 gallon of water daily. Mistake 3. Falling for hype products. Micronized, pH balanced. Creatine HCl. Ignore the marketing. Monohydrate is the only form with decades of research backing it. Mistake 4. Giving up too soon. Creatine isn't a pre-workout. You won't feel it working overnight. Give it 2 to 4 weeks and the scale mirror and gym performance will prove it's working. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this. Creatine is simple. Load for a week, take 5 grams daily forever, stay hydrated, and watch your gains explode. No magic, no mystery, just science. But don't just take my word for it. Grab a tub of creatine, follow this guide, and test it yourself. I guarantee you'll see a difference in 30 days. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It supports the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next supplement deep dive. BCAAs are up next. Spoiler, they're overhyped. Drop a comment below with your creatine questions or success stories. Now go crush those PRs. Your future jacked self will thank you. Creatine isn't a shortcut. It's a cheat code. Use it wisely.